and silent night. The moon shines dimly high. Memories in my heart once bright, now shadows lost in time. I hate living like this, truly, like hopes that disappear. But there's no escape from the loneliness in this freezing night. You are the moon in winter's night, shining in my loneliness. Raindrops falling like tears of light, in the silence no thoughts confessed. Was a vivid dream in youthful days so bright, but now my heart holds only the moon and winter rain at night. Back then we looked with hope, eyes filled with endless dreams, but now it's just a memory, drifting far like moonlit beams. You are the moon in winter's night, shining in my loneliness. Raindrops falling like tears of light, in the silence no thoughts confessed. Bites deep within my soul, like my heart has gone away. Body frozen like ice alone, staring at the moon's soft ray.